Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Baking Deck 2PCS for Bakers Pride Part T1121X. The Baking Deck 2PCS for Bakers Pride Part T1121X is a set of two baking decks designed to fit the Bakers Pride T1121X commercial oven. The decks are made of heavy-duty stainless steel and feature a durable, non-stick coating that ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. The decks are designed to provide even heat distribution and are ideal for baking cakes, cookies, breads, pastries, and other baked goods. The decks are also designed to be stackable for efficient storage and easy access. The Baking Deck 2PCS for Bakers Pride Part T1121X is an essential. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Baking Deck 2PCS for Bakers Pride Part T1121X is designed to replace worn or damaged baking decks on Bakers Pride ovens. It can help to fix symptoms such as uneven baking, inconsistent temperatures, and slow cooking times. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing oven deck from the oven. To do this, remove the screws that secure the deck to the oven frame. 2. Place the new Baking Deck 2PCS for Bakers Pride Part T1121X into position and secure it to the oven frame with screws. Make sure that all of the screws are tightened securely. 3. Once secured, check to make sure that all of the edges are flush with each other and that there are no gaps between them. If there are any gaps, use a putty knife or other tool to fill them in with high-temperature silicone sealant. 4. Phenol. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.pastrsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.